You have a problem to calculate working hour correctly in most cases when working overtime. Okay, let me show you the correct ways to do that. Okay, first of all, if we do calculation, here we have in, out, and break. Okay, let's do calculation. Usually we from time out minus start time and minus break. If you don't have break, just skip it. Okay, go to 8 a.m. So let's see here first. Wow, what is the problem? See, that is the problem. And here let's do the quick format. Let's change to here only, hour and minute. Okay. But let me show you a correct way that work both when it's working overtime. Here, working overtime from 8 p.m. to morning, so it's different day. So let me do it. So we use mode formula to handle this problem. So we got time out minus in time and minus break. If you have and comma divider only one. Okay, here to handle the error. So just drag it here and just click format, just need hour and minute. Boom, you get it right. So here 8 p.m. and leave at 4 a.m. and break 1 hour. So it for it's 1 hour. Okay, it's 1 hour. Here stay late and but it come late too. So it got 6 hour. But it break 2 hour. Here 8 a.m., 5 p.m. So that you got 5 p.m. if you break only 1 hour. Usually we break 2 hour, so we can only have 7 hour of working time. Okay, so in this case, if we use this formula, make sure every calculation is correct. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. See you next time.